I'm Charles, I'm 24 years old, I'm from Taiwan. Now I live in Moscow. Talking about this, I think that in Russia the whole society is quiet, conservations about talking about this topic. So if you want to talk about this topic, Russian people will recommend you not in the public. But I heard about that in St. Petersburg they have the gay pride before, but now Moscow doesn't have. Sorry for this, but I don't have any LGBT friends in Russia, so not very deep understand the true situations. But as I know, the situation is not very open like the Western country or America. I know this just from the news, the TV news or the internet sources, and they are not be treated by very good ways, as I know. So that's it. The information I only know about this from the news or the internet. In Taipei, I must say it's really open-minded for LGBT group people. Every year we have the gay pride, we have the gay concert about a lot of superstar or singers, they participate this. But in Moscow, as I said, I think teenager nowadays, young people, they are more acceptable about this topic. They are willing to talk about that. But still, Moscow is not very open-minded for this. Not Moscow, I mean Russia. Maybe. Yeah, I really want to talk about LGBT things with the Russian people. I want to know about their opinions. But every time, just my Russian friends, they said, "Oh, we shouldn't talk about this in public. We should be more quiet, or our voice should be down, or just don't talk about this loudly." But just like I said, the young people or the teenagers, they are more get a lot of information about this and they want to voice out these things. So I optimistic about in the future. I heard about some bad news. I don't know whether you should talk about this, but if you don't talk about your sexuality things to people, you didn't come out this, I think definitely don't have any problems. Yeah, but if you want to just be yourself or something like that, I can tell the truth that a lot of time I have already saw a lot of lesbian couple or the gay couple, they get together in the Starbucks or something like that and they hold hands. I think people just don't care about these things, but maybe they are just sisters or something like that. But I saw the true situations now. They are quite comfortable in public doing like this, like in Starbucks or in some fashionable cafe or something like that. I would say if for men, just try not to kiss in public or holding hands in public, something like that. It's not for the old people, Russian people. They think maybe it's not appropriate. Thank you for your watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe this channel. Bye bye.